Hello guys, welcome back again into this tutorial. I would like to show to you how to make your own motion on Canva application. So first open your project, and if you already have a project, you just need to add a new element, and then you can create a new motion and convert it and adding it onto your design. So I already prepared this image or this design, and I will adding a cut motion onto this image. So first click element. I think I am just using sign. I will type sign like this and then search it, and I think I'm just going to use this glowing light, this one, and decrease the size of it just like this. And after that, the next steps is you need to swipe left the toolbars and then find this animate button, click it. Now click custom animate, click create an animation. You just need to drag this the object that you want to give a motion. For example, I have this one, so I will just drag it. Okay, let me repeat it again, delete it. The point is you just need to drag this object, the object that you want to give a motion. Just drag it all the way you want. For example, I'm using this object and then I want drag it to make it like it's cutting the lemon like this. Okay, after finish, don't forget to adjust the movement style onto a smooth, and then check the Orion element to path, this one, and increase the speed like that. After that, click done. Now because I have this design, I just need to duplicate the first design like this and then delete this object, and now I just need to positioning this lemon a little bit wider like this. After finish, don't forget to check the transition and then adding the match and move. This one, increase the speed onto 1, then go back, and this is the result that you will get. Okay, as you can see, there's a motion like a glowing light that's cutting the lemon like that, and the lemon will be open because I'm adding the match and move transition. And that's the way how to make a new motion onto your object in your Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.